And this is being recorded.
I understand it's being recorded.
Because I haven't committed no crime, you know what I'm saying? I do have my firearm in the bag, but that's it.
Okay, is it yours or is it stolen?
Register to me, go up my way. I mean, all of a sudden you want to run down a canine. I mean, if that's your suspicious, that's not a crime, you know what I'm saying?
You're not released.
Seized for what reason? There's no, I haven't committed no crime.
Everybody that comes through here is seized temporarily.
Not really, only if there's probable cause. This is an immigration checkpoint. You gotta learn your rights. And you're about to learn your rights with the supervisor that's gonna come.
Sir.
The driver confidently asserted his rights from the start, refusing to engage in unnecessary conversation or comply with demands beyond the brief immigration inquiry permitted at fixed checkpoints. The Fifth Amendment protects against self-incrimination, allowing individuals to refuse to answer questions from law enforcement, including at Border Patrol checkpoints. By repeatedly stating, "I'd rather not answer no questions," and "I prefer not to," he shut down the agent's attempts to probe for details about his travel or activities. When the agent escalated by threatening a canine sniff and secondary inspection without any articulated suspicion, the driver called out the lack of probable cause, noting that suspicion alone isn't a crime, and demanding a supervisor. This smart refusal to budge exposed the agent's overreach, as the dog ultimately ran without alerting, leaving the officers with no justification for further detention and highlighting how knowledge of constitutional protections dismantles attempts at unwarranted escalation.
Afternoon, sir. U.S. Border Patrol. How you doing today?
Hello, U.S. citizen, sir.
Okay. And what brings you down here to Eagle Pass? What's that?
I live down here.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah.
Then where are you headed to today?
I don't answer questions, sir.
You don't answer any questions?
No,
Why is
sir.
that?
My Fifth Amendment, pretty sure. I just go by the law, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Is this your vehicle, sir?
I'd rather not answer no questions.
Okay. Would you mind if I take a look in your truck at all?
I prefer not to.
Okay.
I do have my firearm in the bag, but that's it.
Okay. Is it yours or is it stolen?
Register to me. No, it's
Okay.
registered to me. I wouldn't tell you if you know what I'm saying, like that. I have it back there.
That's fine. You know, that's fine. I mean, you don't have to answer all my questions.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna run a dog just around your vehicle right over here. Okay.
Yeah. You can run it down here. I'd rather not go to secondary either. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not doing anything bad. I mean.
No, you're not. And I didn't say you were doing anything bad.
Right.
But just to dispel any suspicion I might have, I'm just gonna have a dog run around your vehicle. And it's easier for me to do it over there. Okay? You don't have to get out of your vehicle. All I'm gonna do is have it run around the outside of the vehicle. Okay.
Well, I'd prefer not that either. But I mean, if you want to run it down, I'm good here.
I don't have a dog right here, is what I'm saying. So in order for me to expedite this, I'm gonna do it over there. Okay. Do you have any ID or anything on you?
I'm not gonna give you my driver's license either.
Well, by law, I can ask for your driver's license, and you are required to give me your
No, I'm not required.
Any form of identification.
Can you bring your supervisor? Because I've dealt with a lot of this before. That's why I record.
That's not a problem.
Okay.
That's not a problem.
Yeah. Well, please bring.
I
Please.
definitely will get a supervisor out here.
Can you bring him over here?
I'm gonna have you pull right over there. Okay.
Can you
You're holding up traffic right here.
Yeah, you are, because I'm just trying to go up my way. I mean, all of a sudden you want to run down a canine. I mean, if that's your suspicious, that's not a crime, you know what I'm saying? If you're aware of that, you know what I'm saying?
I didn't say you were committing a crime.
No, I'm saying, because you said something about suspicious, right?
Sure, I can be suspicious of stuff.
Of course, that's not no crime, you know what I'm saying?
I didn't say you were committing a crime.
Okay, but I'm telling you, that's not no crime. So if you're trying to find something, can you bring your supervisor, please?
I'm gonna have you pull over there, okay?
I'd prefer not to pull over to secondary, because I've dealt with this before, you know what I'm saying? And just bring your supervisor, please. I prefer for you to bring your supervisor, man. I'm just trying to go up my way.
Here, sir, but you know what? I'm not going to do it right here because it's blocking traffic.
Right.
Okay.
You're blocking traffic.
No, you are blocking traffic because you're ignoring what I'm telling you right now.
I don't have to stop for no reason. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
You do have to stop because there's a stop sign here.
Okay, well, I stopped. You know, you're making it hard for yourself. What's your name, sir? I want the camera to know what's your name.
My name is Ray.
Can you say it out loud?
No, you can.
Okay, Hauser.
Sure.
Okay, that's your name.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm good here. How I said, if you want to bring your supervisor, go ahead and bring him. A lot of supervisors know me. So if you want to go in.
That's fine.
Okay. You want to bring him, go ahead.
I said I'm going to have you pull.
I am good here, sir. I am not committing no crime. So
you are blocking. You are impeding.
You are. Because all of a sudden you want to run down a canine. You're not running down everybody's car.
Okay. Who's driving the vehicle?
Huh?
Who's driving the vehicle? Who's driving the vehicle?
I am.
Okay. So who's impeding traffic?
You're stopping me. You're the one that's talking to me. If I go up my way, I'm not going to impede no traffic. Am I right?
I'm not. But you're being seized. You're not released.
Seized for what reason? There's no. I haven't committed no crime.
Everybody that comes through here is seized temporarily.
Not really. Only if there's probable cause. This is an immigration checkpoint. You got to learn your rights, and you're about to learn your rights with the supervisor that's going to come.
Sir, I'm telling you, everybody that comes through here is temporarily seized.
No.
Do you understand that?
No, they're not. Only if there's probable cause and if they committed a crime.
No.
Then you can seize their car and you can do all of that.
So let me ask you something. Are you free to move?
Am I free to move? Have I committed any crime?
You don't have to commit a crime. Everybody that comes through has to stop.
Yeah, stop and answer whatever they're gonna answer. I don't gotta answer because I know my rights. You know what I'm saying?
Did I tell you had to answer any further questions?
No. Okay. Have I committed no crime?
I didn't say you committed a crime.
Okay, but have I? That way I can go up my way.
Did I say you committed a crime?
Okay, have I?
Did I say you committed a crime?
No, you haven't.
I need absolutely no suspicion, mere or no suspicion, to send you to secondary.
No, that is wrong. That is wrong. You're about to learn that.
I'll tell you what, if you pull over here, I can get you a pamphlet.
No, I already have some myself.
I'll show you exactly what authority that we have out here.
I do not want to know anything. How I said, I'm freely driving in public, right? This is public. Okay, there we go. Having committed no crime. You have no probable cause to search my car either. You run down a K9. I said go ahead, run it down, even though you don't have to. And if you scratch my car, that's gonna be against your K9 because you can see right there. I've gotten my car scratched before, right? Okay, if you don't see it, that's on you. How I said, you want to run it down? Go ahead and run it down. I can go up my way. You know what I'm saying?
No, you cannot.
Why you run down your K9?
Until I release you, sir.
Well, I haven't committed no crime. You want to run down your K9?
Did I say you committed a crime?
No, but I'm telling you, I haven't committed no crime, so I'm
any
public.
sort of suspicion that I have.
It's gonna be a good video, but I'm just letting
you do not have to get out of your vehicle.
Right, I understand that.
I have the right to run a K9 around any vehicle that comes through.
Okay, go ahead and bring it. I'm good
but
here.
In order to expedite this, I mean, we can sit here all day. I'm being paid for this.
I'm good. I'm getting paid too. I'm a YouTuber. Right? I'm a YouTuber. I do this for a living because I gotta educate people that don't know their law. You know what I'm saying? That are just trying to find a crime on somebody. You know what I'm saying?
Read one of our pamphlets. So
no, I already have a pamphlet, and I've already got him to serve with some.
Read it again. All right, hold on.
The confrontation intensified when the supervisor arrived, yet the driver maintained control by refusing to hand over his driver's license for fishing expeditions into his background. At interior border patrol checkpoints, U.S. citizens are not required to produce identification or answer questions beyond brief verification of immigration status, per United States versus Martinez Fuerte, 428 U.S. 543, 1976. He held his ground, showing the ID only visually without surrendering it, while repeatedly emphasizing, "I haven't committed no crime," and "you have no probable cause." The agent's push for secondary inspection crumbled under his insistence that the failed K9 sniff provided no basis for detention, and their blocking of traffic became the real issue. By staying calm, recording everything, and invoking his rights without aggression, he turned the encounter into a clear demonstration of official frustration when faced with someone who knows the law, ultimately forcing them to back down without achieving their apparent goal of a prolonged search or citation.
So yeah, I'm getting stopped for I don't know what reason. I'm just trying to go up my way. He wants to run down the K9. I said he can run down the K9, but I prefer for him to run down the K9 here. I'm not gonna go to secondary because I haven't committed no crime. See how it goes. Yeah, and he's holding traffic. There's a lot of cars behind me.
You got, sir?
Hello, Edwin. I don't got nothing, sir. He said, he asked me where am I going, and you're the supervisor, sir?
No, do you have ID?
I have my driver's license.
Yeah. Can I see your driver's license?
No. I want to talk to the supervisor, sir.
Well, I want to identify who you are.
Okay, the supervisor is already
you got a
coming.
driver's license?
All right, supervisor. I don't gotta give you my driver's
What's
license. I don't gotta give you my driver's license.
Well, I want to identify you. Operating a motor vehicle is not a right. It's
Rodriguez. You're the supervisor, Rodriguez?
Yeah.
What's up, sir? No, you know me, right?
No.
You don't know me? Oh, I feel like I've seen you before, but he stopped me right here, right?
Okay.
Can I put my car in park?
Actually, it'd be better if you took your car to secondary because you're blocking traffic.
He's blocking traffic, sir.
Well, I'm telling you.
Because I haven't committed no crime. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, if you could just...
I'd rather not go to secondary, sir, because you're going to find every reason to find anything on me or try to get me in a crime, you know what I'm saying? So I'm good.
If you committed a crime, you committed a crime. That's not
No, I'm talking about, you guys are trying to get me with a crime, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't have anything. This is a public street. I'm trying to go my way. I do have my driver's license.
Hey, can you call SO so they can come? Because you're not going to want to move, right?
Huh?
You're not going to want to move?
No, I mean,
traffic right now.
you guys are. I'm going up my way.
Okay, I understand that.
And this is being recorded.
I understand it's being recorded.
Because I haven't committed no crime, you know what I'm saying? You guys want to run down on a dog. He's already running it down. Look, he's already running. That's all he wanted. Now he's doing it. You understand, sir?
Yeah.
Rodriguez, you're the supervisor?
Yeah.
Okay, he wanted to run down a dog. I told him he could run it down here. Look, the dog is, you know what I'm saying, doing his job, I guess you could say. Rodriguez, I don't try to give you guys a hard time. I'm just letting you know. I go by the
You
rights.
always try to give us a hard time.
No, see, you know me since you said that.
I don't know.
I don't give nobody a hard time. I just do the rights the way it's supposed to go.
I'm gonna run this vehicle and come up with his ID. You just want to leave the parking. I'm gonna throw the.
He's gonna. I'm not gonna give you my ID either.
I just want to verify. Do you have any drugs with you?
No, I do not. I have my firearm. That's it. You want to see it?
So do you have an ID where we can ID who you are? Because I don't know who you are.
Right. I don't have to show you who I am.
I know, but do you have one?
You're doing this all the time, man. I know
You're the supervisor. I don't want to talk to him. I'm talking to the supervisor.
I don't care if you
don't try to intimidate me. Don't try to intimidate me. Okay, Martinez, if you don't do your rights the way you're supposed to, I'm gonna file a complaint on you. Okay, then don't intimidate me.
I'm not intimidating.
Okay, then don't try.
Put it in your YouTube channel that you don't.
Can you get him away from here? Look, he's not being professional. That's not fucking professional.
Are you gonna want to move your vehicles? Because SO's on the way.
Okay, well hey, he simply said, I'm gonna file a report on him because he simply said he wanted to run down a dog. You guys already run it down. The dog did not give you any suspicion or probable cause, and you guys a huevo want to fucking search my car. Talk to me now. Go ahead, talk to me. I'm just saying, if you violate your rights, not him, you and him are gonna get a file complaint. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So go ahead.
So I just need to ID who you are.
Okay, you want to see my ID? I'll show you who I am.
Yeah.
That's it. I'm not gonna give you my driver's license. Look, I'm not gonna give it to you how I said.
Okay.
You can see it.
I need to.
No. You can see it.
I need the info, man.
Why do you need your info? No, I'm not gonna give you info, sir. You look how I said. You wanna get me of a crime. You wanna go check my name, see if I had down anything. Okay, that's not gonna happen. I don't have anything. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't be passing through here if I had anything.
People give us a hard time. They're usually hiding something. That's
Well, I do this for the rights. You know what I'm saying? You can believe whatever you want. You can. Okay, well, you can believe whatever you want. You can believe whatever you want. I'm not gonna give you my name, so I don't know why you have that there.
Hey,
what's
bro,
that?
Is it cool if I talk to you over there?
Well, we can talk here, sir. I'd rather not go to secondary because
the line, it's just the line of traffic. The people don't have the fault.
I understand how I said the dog didn't search to nothing, and this is all being recorded.
That's fine.
You know,
That's fine. You can record all you want.
So the dog,
talk to you over there.
The dog did not alert to anything. You guys do not have any probable cause, and you guys are holding me. You guys are holding traffic. So if the cop comes, everything is here recorded.
I'm gonna put this in front of your car.
Go ahead. I'll put it in park myself. I know what that is.
I'm just telling you that so you don't move away and you don't blow a tire. Okay? I'll be right back.
It's on park.
What I'm doing, I came out here, I did my job,
Yeah,
I got nothing.
All right.
I'm not gonna be here, hey man, I'm gonna search your car because I want to.
Yeah, no, thank you. Yeah, I appreciate for that.
You know, so, but that's why.
He wants to do that. That's why I'm saying I'm gonna file a report on him, and maybe I don't know about Rodriguez. I mean, he said I don't know who's coming. Rodriguez, you said who's coming?
You're allowed to do.
Of course, yeah. Because I mean, how you said yourself, there's no probable cause, and he wants to put me into secondary, which there's no reason for.
My supervisor agrees too. We got nothing.
I wanted to get you out of the way so we can move traffic.
I understand, sir. I understand, and I'm trying to go up my way. You know what I'm saying, as well. You know.
Okay. So a quick question: the vehicle's registered to you?
I mean, I don't answer questions, but if you're gonna give me a hard time, are you curious?
No. I just want to know if the vehicle's registered to you.
And if I answer that question, am I free to go?
Well, this is. I mean, we're not here as to negotiate. Either.
No. I know we're not.
Sit here and tell us. Oh,
of course. No. But it's because I don't have to answer questions. You know what I'm saying? No, but I don't have to answer questions.
Okay. I mean, yeah, you come through sometimes. You're cool. Whatever.
I'm gonna eventually come.
You're getting a little like you're.
I'm gonna eventually pass here every day for my YouTube videos.
And you can.
Yeah, of course.
Nobody's telling you what to do. You know.
Yep.
But just keep in mind that if this vehicle smells like weed,
of course,
they
have all the reason to, and you know me,
and we have, I know.
Okay.
This is the man, like you don't really know too well, bro. Like you got to get it right.
Right.
Okay? But just know
that through all the videos I've been learning, man, and what I can tell you right now, I am not wrong.
That's cool, but you are wrong. Let me tell you,
what way am I wrong? You tell me.
We're not gonna get into that right now.
Okay.
I'm not gonna sit here and school you either. Like tell you, do this and do that.
Right.
But you should be a little more honest and say, you know what? Yeah, I have smoked weed. That's why they do this to me. And don't edit those parts out though on your videos.
For my videos, my subscribers know I smoke. You know what I'm saying?
And that's why we do this.
But you can do it. But you can do it. But you can do it. And let me answer that. Let me answer that. You can do it.
You try to put it out there like we're just messing with you because we want to.
Oh no, I don't.
That's not how it works.
Oh no, I don't.
That's not how it works.
I don't. But it's exactly what this. Because look, let me talk now. You guys have no probable cause. You already run down the canine. The canine did not say nothing.
Yes.
Okay, the canine did not say anything, right?
You're right about today.
Okay, and
today,
then
you're completely right about today.
Okay,
that's not saying we've been wrong in the past.
No, I'm not saying you're wrong. You know what I'm saying? But I just try to do everything the way I'm supposed to know.
No, because we can't get complacent either.
Right.
Because if we get complacent, you know what's gonna happen.
I understand.
I
understand. That's why I'm saying.
Next time, hey, it's this guy, man. He always gives us a hard time. Let him go.
Yep.
And who's to say you don't have, I don't know, a kilo or a 20 sack or whatever.
Okay,
you know, we can't do that either. You know, we can't just say it's this guy, just let him go because he gives us a hard time.
Right. No.
We can't do that.
Of course, I understand where you're coming from.
But también, like how you were talking right now, like, hey, we're not gonna negotiate. We're not gonna sit here and let you tell us, like, hey, if I do this, are you guys gonna do that? That's not how it works.
No. I understand. But he asked me like if I was freely to go. You know what I'm saying?
All right, Edgar. I'm good. You're good. You have a nice day. All right.
Yeah, you too. By the way, my name's not Edgar. Thank you.
Sure.
17 minutes. Damn.
In the end, the driver's unyielding stance and sharp application of legal principles expose the checkpoint as a venue where overzealous enforcement can falter against informed resistance. Any extension of a checkpoint stopped beyond brief immigration, questioning requires reasonable suspicion, and non-immigration detentions or searches demand probable cause or consent. The agent's repeated attempts to intimidate, threatening reports implying hidden contraband, or pressuring compliance failed spectacularly as the driver documented their inconsistencies, like running the dog despite no alert and admitting prior familiarity with him from videos. This encounter became legendary proof that when a smart boy armed with constitutional knowledge stands firm, corrupt or sloppy policing unravels, educating viewers on real rights while leaving the officers to retreat empty-handed and exposed on camera. Stay tuned. This takedown of overreach is a masterclass in empowerment. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.